Hey everybody, and welcome back to BattleTech Restoration Rival here, and Toby the Reindeer. How you doing? We're still at Mitchell, we're still in the Siegebreaker Flashpoint. I have changed up our starting lance. We're now running with a Vindicator 1R, a Phoenix Hawk 1B, then the Marauder and the Black Knight. Phoenix Hawk is running with 4 medium lasers plus 10 damage, 2 extended range small lasers plus 10 damage, and a small laser plus 10 damage. The small laser is in the CT, so we're going to have to get really close to use that. But firepower, 295. It's not damn bad. Heat efficiency is an Alpha Strike of 75. Jump heat is 12 because we've got those vector thrust kits plus another 4 jump jets. So it's 12 heat. So if we're jumping around all the time, we're going to have a problem. The main thing we have to remember is the small laser can only fire and give us that extra 6 heat if we are really, really close. Otherwise, it's not going to fire at all. So, if you then take the heat efficiency and you take 75 minus 6, then we're actually at 69. 12 heat takes us to 81. So we're pretty heat neutral. Vindicator is a little bit worse. It's going with the 4 medium lasers in the arms with plus 10 damage and an SRM 4. Heat efficiency is pretty good. It's 60. And we've got a jump heat of 8. So we'll be doing 62-ish. Maybe 64, I think. With an alpha strike and a jump. So we should be absolutely fine. Firepower is only 188, but that's going to be good for harassing. So this little mech is going to be good for us. Going to use that as our scout. Phoenix Hawk as our kind of flanking annoyance of all annoying things. And then we've got the Marauder and the Black Knight to do what they do. So I'm going to split the units. Probably going to go Vindicator and Black Knight covering the base or staying back. With the Marauder and the Phoenix Hawk going up, trying to destroy the enemy base. Not entirely sure. Haven't done this mission in a long time, so I'm not entirely sure what we're going to be up against. But we will see. We will see. Anyway, the lance has been built. It should be within the weight tolerances that we need. So Black Knight with Behemoth. Taking the A-team simply because I don't know what we're going to get. Max 240 tons. Beautiful. We are 240, so my math was right. Let's do this.
Command interface initiated.
Alright, let's do this. This is it, Commander. There's a gang of big metal people between us and Debrescu, and then we'll have a mountain of steel to get through. But I think we can do it. With you there, Jailbird. Keep your eyes open for Jabal. She made it pretty clear that she had no intention of sitting this fight out. If she's stupid enough to get between us and our targets, I'll take her out myself. And I'll make certain she's properly dead this time. Incoming transmission. I see you, little militiaman. You think you can come for me, huh? I salute your courage, but your efforts will be doomed to failure. When my BattleMechs crush you under their feet, I will tighten my grasp around Gutha. You will surrender what is mine, or your city will starve. You are a nasty piece of work, buddy. You're talking about your ex. She isn't yours, you Lyrian. Bad word. This convict is going to teach you a lesson about what happens when you try and impose your will on others. I'll give you a hint. It starts with my foot and ends in your ass. I know I shouldn't think and everything, but I can't help it. Okay, it's just so cool. We're heading out to protect Militia HQ, Commander. Give Debrescu hell at the Ziegel House, and we'll do our best to keep you covered from there. Okay, so they're protecting the thing, so I don't have to put too much effort into that. Call out if you need help. We're going for the base. Destroy reinforcement wave 1 arrives in 7 rounds. Okay, so we've got loads of reinforcements. That's the Capellan base. Evac after primary. They have to survive. That's... What? That's a long way. Let's focus on them first, then. That's our evac. Okay. Let's, whole butt.
Coordinates received.
Picked up a blip.
What is that? Electrical transformer. We could use that.
Orders.
We got a javelin. Okay. Don't push forward. Protect the base.
I hear ya. Got it. Bang! You're dead!
Okay, not ideal. But that was good. Helped take a piece off that evasion. Wondering where that fourth mech was. Now I know.
Commander. On the move. Copy that.
It's go time.
Fine.
Waiting on you, Commander. No sweat.
Okay.
Targeting
No!
enemy 6.
I mean, we killed it. That's fine. I wanted to
Gotcha!
split my fire there, but I hit the wrong button. Ah! Idiot.
Ready for orders.
Sensor lock you.
All weapons committed. Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Waiting
Gotta
for
keep
orders.
pushing. You know what? Let's do it.
Firing all weapons. Target neutralized.
Let's hit them hard.
Okay, so they're down to one light mech. Got status units surrounding the Sega House commander. They're taking up position to repel our advance. Can't finish it while this hostile is down. Take him out. Okay, so we've got to deal with this and then switch.
Good to go. I leap. I soar.
This is gonna heat up fast.
Want some more? Huh?
Okay, that was not good, but it was necessary.
What's up, boss?
You are not going to get there, so we're going to send you this way into the water so you cool off at the same time.
I copy. Targeting for an alpha strike.
We got a mech up there. Okay, so I'm going to need to use one heavy to go right and one heavy to go left. That's bad. Oh, that's the 4P. Can't do both. Okay, we will focus on that then.
All weapons committed.
Target destroyed.
Okay, so that's the attacking units.
Enemy mech destroyed.
Ready for orders. Here we go. Firing on target.
Hit the leg, that's good.
Give them everything you've got.
The attacking units are done, except for the reinforcements. That was painful. That was straight to the CT.
Good to go. Engaging jump jets. Hostile eliminated.
We've got reinforcements coming in 3 turns. So the end of this turn, then the next 2 turns. That's an issue,
Waiting for orders.
but not a big one.
Taking the high road.
Yeah, I can't hit, so I'm not going to go precision. I'm just going to try and hit with the AC5.
Engaging target.
That was good. Good hits, good hits.
Receiving you. Firing jump jets.
That's most of your firepower gone.
Scored a critical hit.
MechWarriors. Show them what you got.
We'll jump with the Black Knight across to the left when we can.
Commander.
Your 85s and your left shoulder, so that's not really going to help. Oh no, your AC-10's gone.
Inflicted some heavy damage.
That was a good hit. That was a really good hit. Ow.
Commander, I'm wounded.
That was a big hit on the head.
What can I do for you? Uh-huh.
Yeah, you know what? Let's do that.
Got it.
Okay. Alright, we'll keep running. What's your CT? 37. Okay, we will split target.
Engaging multiple targets.
Commander. I copy.
Alright. I go split target you and you. I will give you all the bees. Or that works.
Acknowledged.
Inbound reinforcements. Could just stand and blow everything up. Oh, that would have been so good if that hit.
Ha! Send me a real opponent!
Are you? Are you a cool exchanger? You are.
Good to go. Coordinates received. No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone. Did you see that? Did you see it?
Yes, we did. We definitely did. Oh, nice. Good hits. Reinforcements wave in one round. I want to push up. I don't trust this lance to protect the base.
Yes, Commander.
So we're going to
Affirmative.
move in with Decker. What's your... Yeah, you've got all of it. So if I aim for the leg, turn off the SRM.
Taking the shot.
You didn't kill the leg.
Commander. Lifting off.
26. We will turn off you guys.
Target acquired.
Target destroyed.
Defenders are down. So now we're only dealing
One
with
less
attacking
target.
units.
Full throttle.
So, Commander, we've got another wave of Illyrian units entering the AO. Mechs prepare to pick up the pace. The longer the Zigger house remains standing, the more resistance we're going to have to deal with. We are fine. I mean, I probably should have gone for more salvage, but you know.
I hear ya. Ready, set.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but extra chevron of evasion taken off. Again, another chevron of aviation taken off. They're literally just sprinting down there.
Standing
So.
by.
Yeah, let's go there.
Roger. Full speed.
Orion. Wow.
Receiving you. Up high. Confirmed.
Engaging jump jets.
Bring rival in, because engaging them is going to make things a little bit simpler for us. You know what? Go for it.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Thing is, those fast scout mechs, they're a real pain in the neck. Especially when you try and
Hell
defend
yeah.
somewhere. That thing's so nimble. Okay.
What can I do for you? Affirmative.
Give me precision strike. Take out the leg.
Got it.
Down to an SRM2.
Yeah, critical hit.
He's going to get up again, but... That's actually a pretty good hit. I mean, it's not in the back where we would really like
Receiving
it.
you. Firing jump jets. On it.
Okay, wave 1 only has 3 mechs.
Ready for orders. On my way. Roger that.
CT down, that's the spider gone. Rival, can you take this thing out? One headshot.
All weapons committed.
Scratch another target.
Enemy mech destroyed.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I am going to rest my mechs. We've got a couple of turns.
Orders.
I'm going to tell them to rest because
Copy that.
it doesn't always
Stabilizing. Engaging
do it
cooling
when you
system.
tell them to.
Waiting for orders.
Steiner Lance coming that way. Okay, we can now, because we've dealt with everything, we can shift.
Ready for orders. Roger that.
Waiting on you, Commander. Double time.
I will want to shoot that.
Good to go.
Start reinforcements. Four mechs. They're all mediums and lights. Yeah, there you go. Mediums and lights. Someone brought an Irby.
Orders. Copy that.
Okay, guys. I mean, yes, attacking the urban mech. This is not MechWarrior Online. Urban mechs are not built like one big solid piece of iron.
Waiting for orders.
Oh, we need to jump over here. We need to split targets. How much have you got? 50. Okay, so you take that, and then everything else go to you. Yeah, that works.
Line them up and I'll shoot them down, Commander.
Cool on the floor gives us extra cooling. Oh, I meant to put you on C there, wasn't I? That's stupid on me. Nice. Oh, there goes Nom. It's only running an LRM-15. I don't know why it's up the front. So well, you've got Vulcan and Assassin.
All weapons committed.
Assassin down.
Enemy mech destroyed.
Standing by. Affirmative.
Actually, no leg.
All weapons are go. Scored a critical hit.
That was good. Javelin move. That was a stupid move.
Damage minimal.
You're damn right, damage minimal.
Good to go.
Alright, let's jump you in there so you've got the extra cooling. Crank everything on.
Roger that. Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Now we can focus all our firepower on... I'm going to go with the Irby.
Waiting on you, Commander.
And I know that's kind of weird because I've literally just said the Irby is not the most dangerous thing on the field. But...
Time to fly.
it does have one thing that's very nasty, and that's that PPC. So... let's go for the shoulder.
Tell me what to shoot. Another hit like that and you're toast.
CT breached.
Waiting for orders.
B.
Multiple targets confirmed. Hostile removed.
And now we can take care of you. Lice points out, I feel really bad about this. I'm lying, I don't.
All weapons committed.
Kill confirmed, Commander.
Enemy mech destroyed.
And here comes the last of the reinforcements. And everyone just run that way.
Standing by.
Actually, let's put you into the trees.
Aye, aye.
What can I do for you?
You can jump a ridiculously long way because of all those jump jets.
Uh-huh.
Full throttle.
Standing by. Copy that.
Okay, here they come. Even more Sanary who's just touched down the AO. Guys don't know when to quit, do they? Let's light them up. Looks like only 3 mechs. Phoenix, Hawk, Wolverine, and a Blackjack. And they're running straight for the...
Waiting for orders. Time to
base.
fly.
So we're going to make sure that they don't.
Uh-huh.
I love the way the damage
More where that
translates
came
up
from.
that side. You take out the leg, and if you do enough damage, it'll take out the side torso as well. Oh, that was painful.
What's up, boss? Lifting off. On it.
Yeah, we weren't going to take the leg out, not with the firepower on that. Boom. No. Okay.
Engaging jump jets.
Let's take out that mech.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Gotta slow him down.
Orders. Copy that.
Right, what's on your CT? 12. Okay, so we're going to multi-target. I will go B, 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 and 2 on A.
Copy that.
Good. Works.
Oh, it's on now.
Can't remember, they probably got like base defenses as well. We haven't taken them out yet.
Waiting for orders. Acknowledge. Here it comes. Enemy down.
Okay, we got 1 mech left.
I hear ya. On my way. Time to die. When I shoot you, you'll take it and like it.
I'm gonna get lots of salvage out of this. Practically drooling at the amount of salvage I'm gonna get. Rival, start moving.
Full throttle.
Waiting for orders. Here we go. Copy that.
Target destroyed.
Don't see Miss Steiny in the air command. It looks like we're good to go. Good to extract. Roger that, Commander XO. Guess I'll be prepared to pick up in 2 shakes. Well, I'm not going there yet. I've still got to do the structure. But the base is now secure.
Receiving you.
So we can now start hauling butt.
Confirmed.
Good to go. Sprinting.
Still gotta destroy that base. And you guys can leave. You can leave whenever you like.
Commander. Roger, full speed.
Literally, all just parked in there. Yeah, we all want to go. Yeah, well, you can, but you can't actually leave yet because we're not allowing you to. We still have to destroy the actual base and kill a guy who's basically put an entire planet on siege because he can't deal with the fact that someone left him. Can't deal with the fact that somebody said,
Receiving you.
I don't love you anymore and I don't want to be with you.
Got it. No shooting. Just running.
So I'm going to divorce you and leave. Take the L, buddy.
Commander. Jumping.
Just take the L.
Good to go.
Alright, I'm going to sprint all the way in with Glitch, simply because if there are any turrets or anything, lots of evasion. I'm not seeing lots of turrets. In fact, I'm seeing no turrets.
Engaging jump jets. Engaging target.
Structure down, press on. Yep, we got this.
Target building destroyed.
Yes, Commander.
Literally all just stacking up. They're going,
Standing by.
what do we do? Hmm.
Affirmative.
Wait until they finish
Waiting on you, Commander.
blowing the living hell out of everything? Oh, okay.
Special delivery. Building's trashed.
That is one way of putting it, Glitch.
Ready for orders. Engaging jump jet. Locking on target. Brought it down, Commander.
Jump, 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 jump.
Engaging target.
Zigger House is down, Commander. Repeat, Zigger House is down. And the rescue's buried in the rubble. Brilliant work, Commander. That's it, people. Our job is done. Militia HQ is saved. Zigger House is down. And Optimum General Rescue is dead. That's what I like to hear. Get our people to the air zone. I'll have them out of there in no time. Just keep an eye on the militia buildings until you leave the field. You know, just in case. Yeah, we managed to wipe everyone out, so I don't think we're going to have to run all the way back. You've done it, Commander. The rescue is dead, and with him, any reason for the Lyrians to continue this siege. On my orders, what remains of the Planetary Authority will begin receiving and distributing aid to the people of Gultha immediately. I'd like to assist with that if you'll have me. I await your judgment, Lady Maria. My future is in your hands. We'll discuss your legal status soon enough, Commander. I'll be in touch to brief you and transfer your payment as soon as the authority has been re-established. The out.
Mission successful.
Jailbird did a good job. I'm not going to, comment on previous crimes or anything. I don't have the information. But seems to be, willing to step up and do what's necessary when the chips are down. Okay. So we got 502,000 for that. I could have just put that all into cash, couldn't I? We'd have just been, yep, all the money. Behemoth out for 7 days, but other than that, they barely put a scratch on our armor. I mean, I'll go for the Orion, I suppose. I don't think there's going to be much here. Large laser, plus 10 damage. Plus 10 damage, medium laser. I don't think... Yeah, I think I could either have gone just full on salvage or just full money. And I probably shouldn't have gone down the middle. But still. We did damn good. Okay, the Orion V trades some of the armor the K model is known for to mount additional weaponry. This increases overall damage output, but many pilots consider the lost armor to be risky. Me too, but we'll see. Commander, I've just finished coordinating aid efforts between Mitchell Planetary Government and what's left of the militia in Galtha. As we speak, troops are enforcing order on the streets, and aid stations are being erected at civic centres across the city. A lot of people are going to survive thanks to you. What about Dubrescu's wife? Did you come through all this okay? She's his widow now, thankfully. She's fine. I doubt I could say the same if she'd wound up back at Hauptmann General's hands. We did our best to rally the troops as you asked. Unfortunately, Cheval and her lance turned against us. We had no choice but to destroy them. I'm guessing that was one of the lances that joined the field then? I'm sorry to hear it. Lieutenant Dame Stora had an exceptional combat record. I am, however, extremely pleased with Jailbird's performance. I put in a recommendation to have your sentence commuted, Miss Valaquez. Thank you, Lady Marina. It means a great deal to me. And with that, Commander, our business has come to a close. From this point on, the care and feeding of Galtha will be an administrative duty, not the sort of task I'd bother my top mercenaries with. I've transferred your pay. I think you'll find it's as generous as well as it earned. Yeah. Not much as I appreciate the miracle you performed today. Next time, I need someone to part the oceans for me. I'll know who to call. Jailbird's face on your view screen? Oh, she seemed happy. She's not the only one. The entire population of Galtha is in your debt. I know I am. I owe you my freedom. You don't owe us anything. We're mercenaries, Jailbird. We don't care what you did in the past or who you did it to. You don't need our permission to make good on your second chance. Would it change your mind if I told you I meant to kill Chevelle when I stabbed her? Because I did. I deliberately baited her into starting that fight so I could finish it. What happened between you and Dame Store, I can't even say the names properly, is your business. But if it bothers you, I suggest you look for a way to make amends. Thanks, Commander. Maybe I will. Well, that's it. We're done here. I don't know about the rest of you, but I've had enough of Mitchell for the rest of for one lifetime. There are better opportunities on the horizon. Let's go find them. Indeed. First, give him my stuff. I want my stuff. An LRM-5 plus 2 damage. That's pathetic. Targeting computer for energy. That's not bad. An LRM-5 plus 2 damage. That's pathetic. A gyro. A Griffin 1 end piece. Another Griffin 1 end piece. And an AC-5 with plus 2. That is horrendous. He was out of action for 7 days. I did see contracts on this planet. We do have 17 million. It's a battle. A piece of people took a beating in recent engagement. Commander lost an entire lance. One of our pilots was killed when their mech fell over. The last of the Davian survivors was able to get our mech back on its feet. Now they're hoping to get it to safety, their dropship and claim it for their own. We need you to stop it against Davian, and I've already done enough against Davian. I don't particularly want to go against the Federated Suns right now. Thank you very much. Anything else? No. Fine. Let's have a look at the map. That was a big fight. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Is it just those? No other ones? Okay, so we have Yang Vitarian's Big Score. It's a short one. Hey, boss, got online a really juicy opportunity out of Electra, but I need to check it out in person to be sure. Think you could authorize taking a little detour? 23 days. It's like 32 to get there, so we're going to have to wait for that one. The Long Hunt. Medium, consecutive deployments, rare items. We're against Davian. I don't like that. Davian lieutenants committed terrible atrocities in the combat system of Shalkala. I need you to hunt him down, Commander. He cannot be permitted to live after what he's done. Okay. Oh my god, they're all against Davian. Great help on a personal matter. No mercenary company will do. If you accept, further details will be provided upon your arrival at Brockway. 25 days. Expires in 50. Extracurricular activities. Okay, we're doing that one. Apparently, everyone hates Davian today. So that's what we're going to have to do. But there is that place on the way. It's a black market. And you all know how I feel about a black market. Oh, there's one here as well. Operation Flattened Earth. Seditionist group has taken root in the Capella system of Chevalor. House Liao will handsomely reward any company that will root out and destroy these traitors to the Confederation. Medium, consecutive, rare items. Interesting. I didn't see you. How long to get to there? 25 days to get to there. We should be able to get back to this one. If we can't, we've got this one here. It's fine. Alright, that's what we're going to do then. I'm not going to stop at the black site. I'm going to just go straight to the mission. We don't have the time. Really want to have the time though. But we're not going to do it. But I really want to. Not. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, then please do hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and share. If you're new to the channel like we saw, please do consider subscribing. Until then, you lot take care of yourselves. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.